Welcome to Ballot Bites. Today's topic is email setup and the email report. Navigate to emails in the left navigation bar. 3 types of emails are shown here with helpful instructions as a guide. All Snapballot plans include 1 invitation email sent to voters at election open, 1 confirmation email sent to voters after they submit their ballot, and up to 2 reminder emails. Let's start with the invitation email. Each email can be customized with your details to personalize your message, and we handle the rest: secure links, login details, and delivery. Sender name, the reply to email, the admin default will show here, but you can also change this by adding additional admins if needed. Your subject, and then your custom message. The standard message section is automatic and cannot be customized. This email includes a secure ballot link unique to each voter. After a voter submits their ballot, the ballot link is deactivated to prevent double voting. Invitation emails are sent automatically at the exact date and time your ballot opens, shown here in the purple section. There are also helpful tips, including a pro tip. Before voting begins, send members a safe sender email. This simple step helps ensure Snapballot election emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. You can customize this template with your organization and election details. Copy and paste this into your email and then send to members about 1 week before voting opens. When you're ready, click Update Email Invitation, and you're all set. You can preview each email by clicking this Preview Email button. Enter the address that you'd like this to be emailed to, and it'll send you a test. You can also make changes to your invitation email anytime before voting begins. The confirmation email is sent immediately after a voter submits their ballot. You can update this email with your custom message here. Again, the standard message cannot be changed. It contains the submission details, the date and time that they submitted their vote, and the voter's name with a thank you. When you're ready, hit Save Confirmation Email. Reminder emails are sent after voting opens and only go to voters who have not yet voted. Reminders are a great way to encourage participation. Let's go ahead and set 1 email reminder to voters before the election closes. Click Add Reminder Email, set the date and time and customize each section, and then click Add Reminder Email to save and schedule your reminder email. Email reminders will also include a unique secure ballot link for that voter. The scheduled email reminder is now shown in the Scheduled Emails section. You can edit or add reminders up to the time they're scheduled to send, but before the election closes. You may create multiple email reminders with different messages and schedules to improve voter participation. If you would like more than 2 email reminders, they will be charged depending on your plan. For example, on the $49 plan, which is 16 to 250 voters, each additional reminder email costs $19. Emails already sent and processed cannot be edited. A helpful section shows how many of your reminders have been used. It's easy to set up your email communications for a successful election in Snapballot. The email report is available after emails have been sent. From the dashboard, you can see it here in Summary and Reports, or from Reports in the left navigation menu. A high-level snapshot of your email report can be seen here. Go ahead and click Email Type. A pie chart shows the results and defines each term here on Hover, as well as below in the Filter tabs. Voter details are listed below with a timestamp, and you may use these tabs as filters. For example, clicking Dropped or Bounced will quickly show you only those emails affected. Bounced or blocked emails were not delivered. If you want that person to vote, reach out for a new email address and update it under the Voters tab. After updating and saving their email, a pop-up will show the change and you can resend the invitation email during the voting period. If a member has already voted, the status will show a timestamp on the voters page. This concludes setting up emails and viewing the email report. Thanks for watching. Grab another bite in our series of quick tips at any time.